Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make a magic ring and how to work single crochet into it. To start your magic ring, wrap the yarn tail around two fingers, crossing the yarn to form an X. Insert your hook under the bottom strand, then over the top strand and pull it through. Twist slightly and bring it up. Now place your hook under the top yarn and pull it through the loop. This creates a slip knot and your magic ring is ready. To make a single crochet, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through both loops. That makes one single crochet. Repeat this process until you have 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Once finished, pull the starting tail to close the ring tightly. This forms round 1 of your amigurumi project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.